Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Right now, this is going to be a video that I really want to show you guys, so please pay attention before we proceed. Awesome, right? It's a beautiful woman inside a motorcycle. Let me just remove that one, and then I'm going to enable one more. So for this next video, as you can see, they're pretty much the same regarding the consistent characters of the face. Even the leather jacket is the same. As you can see right there, it's a pretty awesome video for the two of those, right? Because on this scenario, for this tutorial rather, because I'm going to teach you how to create consistent characters in AI video at last. So for this video, we're going to utilize this get started in the web with the web platform first. I can create a similar video for the Discord community or the Discord server on how to create this one if we get, I think, let's just say 1,000 likes, okay? And with that being said, let's get started with the website. So welcome back to the video. Right now, this is gonna be the platform inside the website itself of Pixverse. The one you're gonna see at first, or the first things you're gonna see inside it are gonna be the showcase, other people generations, other people videos, or other people creations. Even the prompt is right there, so you're really not gonna be a hard time if you want to inspire or copy their idea. I want to talk about this tokens, 170 left. So with this one, you're gonna get started with a 200 free tokens, and that is gonna be 5 generations per day. That 200 tokens will give you 5 video generations that replenishes every day. Pretty awesome, right? For a free trial. Anyway, the first thing you want to do here is click on character. Again, guys, make sure you're inside the character section here. As you can see right there, I already have one character. So I want you to create your own character right there. So upload a photo. Please make sure that the photo is looking for your front face or something like that. It's not looking at the back, it's not looking at the sides. So I think I still have one video or a photo here regarding a woman looking front. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Again, guys, you know, just want to highlight that please no shades, no cap, no hats, no face mask to get that finest quality. As you can see right here, I have a woman, or a girl rather, that is facing front. So let's just name this one. I'm gonna name it Abby. Type of character is gonna be grayed out, and realistic is gonna be the style. But before, you can change the style here. But I think that's gonna be for the paid subscription. Anyway, I'm gonna click on create character right now, and it's gonna process right there. Now this will take around 5 minutes, but we're gonna utilize the first character that I created, named Sarah. So simply click on the create button right there. So welcome back to the video. Right now I have Abby all up and running. As you can see right under there, it says success. Now once this is show success, you can simply create right now. Simply click on the create button right there, or click on this option. But for now, click on create. And then with this one, you're gonna have character. Make sure you choose the characters because we're gonna have a text to image or image to image option right there. But the one we want is character. So just simply enter a prompt there. As you can see on my samples right here, you have the prompt. This is gonna be Abby for the first 3, and the last 3 would be Sarah. So I'm just gonna type in here black leather jacket or something like that, or a woman wearing a red shirt. Let's just try a red shirt, sitting on a park bench. I'm gonna click on the make sure this is Abby, and then I'm just gonna change this one. So I'm wearing a red shirt, I'm gonna type this one, black leather jacket. I'm gonna try recreating the ones on the above section. So a woman wearing a black leather jacket sitting on the park bench. Make sure that this is Abby. Click on create. And after that one, I'm gonna click on motorcycle for this one. Like so. Give me a second here. Motorcycle right there. Click on create. So I'm just changing the last part. So we're gonna have a reference. So a woman wearing a leather jacket sitting on a boat. Something like that. Click on create right now. And I'll see you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Right now I got it right here. A woman wearing a black leather jacket sitting on a bench. If I play right there, you're gonna see this is an awesome video. And it really compares with the top tier video generation tool out there. and this is free. The best part about this one, the tokens refreshes every day. Even if it's only 4 seconds, it's a really good quality video. And now if we check on our reference photo, as you see right there, even the chin, the lips, the nose is right there. I'm gonna say that the eyes is also right there. Now moving on the next generated video, I'm gonna go to right now. So this is gonna be the second one. The one sitting on the boat, the first one is on the bench from earlier. As you see right here, if I compare it, sitting right by side by the reference photo we have or the reference character, it's pretty awesome, right? It's really consistent. Now let's try and check the last sample. For the last sample, this is the one sitting on a motorcycle. With this one, it's a pretty close-up photo or a video. If I set it right beside the photo, you're gonna see right there, they're really similar. I'm not gonna say it's gonna be 100% accurate, but I'm gonna say that it's gonna be 98 to 99%. Pretty awesome, right? Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.